Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hold on, let me rotate. Okay y'all, I am back. I had to rotate it so I wouldn't have to go through the process of moving it and rotating it and then uploading. Now after this video I can just upload. Today is the 21st, y'all. I hope you all are done with Christmas shopping, getting Christmas things, and this notebooks keep getting caught on my jacket. Man, oh my goodness, it feels so good. And I've said this probably 1,000 times since last week. It feels so good to be able to save all year long for Christmas and have a guilt-free shopping. I also tracked everything when it came to shopping. As of right now, I am at a total of $949.50. And I just need to get one thing, but I'm going to get that when I go home. So, y'all, I was working Christmas, right? I have a co-worker that's off on Christmas, so we swapped, but I have to work Monday to be off on Christmas, and I also have to go to work at 1 o'clock. So Monday I'm working 1 to 8 versus 1 to 10 because I was able to put in 2 hours worth of PTO. That was pretty much all the PTO that was left for that day, and my schedule will be kind of staggered, so I would be off Sunday, work Monday, work Tuesday, off Christmas, work Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then so forth. But I'm off on Christmas, so that means that all of those packages that I got sent to my mom's house, that mean I can go pick them up, deliver them to the people they need to get to, and get my gifts as well. And my mom is cooking, so that's a good thing. What I wanted to do, even though today is Saturday, y'all, my job gave us our bonus early. Taxes was crazy. That's what I'm trying to say. Taxes was crazy, but I didn't know what I wanted to do with the money, so I just sent it over to Allie. So I'm just putting it there. Remember when I borrowed from the interest that Allie pays me? I may end up paying that back and let that sit there for another 2 months. That way I can also get the interest on the full amount of interest money that I was supposed to have in the first place, and then do something with that money. But as of right now, the money is just sitting there. I'll figure it out. What I wanted to truly do in this video is close out my budget early. Whatever money I do have left, I will, either put it towards Christmas, because I do have just one thing to buy, and that should be maybe, I don't know, $22, but that money would come out of celebration. So I can't believe I was able to save all year long. I'm just, y'all, it's crazy. But let's talk about this. So let's bring the sheet in. Since everything is already written out, we last left off, everything had zero except for gas. Gas does have 40 bucks, and grocery had 106. But on the 18th, I spent $11 in cash from groceries. I spent 32, that's 53. I spent $53 from grocery. I went to Walmart, and I spent $5 on some snacks that I didn't need before I went to Walmart. So that's crazy, I know. So all together, I should have, let me see, I should have some money and it should be right because I haven't been in my wallet, so I've been tracking. So I should have $25 in cash, and I should have $12 in my brown binder. But let's see what I have. Grocery, let's see. So we have 5, 10, 15, 25. So that's right. And while we're already in here, we have 40 bucks for gas. And I'm still using the same gas that I got over a week ago. And for my brown binder, I have, let's set this, so I don't know how much that equals up to, but we're going to find out because I don't have a calculator. Y'all, do y'all know I don't know where my calculator is? That's crazy, right? Let's see. This is the rest of the money for groceries. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's see how much we have all together. So we have 20, 45, 55, 65, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, $77. So y'all, as I close out this video on December the 21st, I officially have $77. Oh my goodness. Now, this is what happens when you track everything and stay under what you're needing. I know sometimes we go over. I do that myself. It's okay. Things happen. Stuff is high. It's totally fine. So I'm going to put this rollover money along with this in the rollover cash envelope. And I can remove that with alcohol. I just haven't. So right here is for Discover. And this is when I got gas for $53, and this should be 53. So 10, 20, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, that's right. And I just need to pay them their money. And what else? Everything else is empty. So I don't have any cash. Jasmine don't have any cash. Let's see. Travis, he don't have any cash either. So once I figure out what I want to do with this money, I know I need to probably get, if I'm not mistaken, I need to get, what, $8 from this money. I need to put the $8 back into my Chime account. So I may do that. Once I figure out what I want to do with the money, I will make another video. Other than that, I hope you all have a great Christmas, because I don't know if I don't know if I'm making another video before Christmas, because it may be after. So, as you can see, I am, wow. Y'all, I've never been this excited. Ooh, I got Happy Mail. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So I'm still zoomed in. I may have to take that out. Not really sure. I had some Happy Mail from Chris, but I don't know where I put her envelope. And I'm sure it's somewhere under all of this. But I do have Happy Mail from Melissa over Budget Stuff Save Repeat, and I've had this for quite some time now, so I'm getting it open. Let's see what she sent. So I'm just double checking to make sure, you know, everything is good. So this is what Melissa sent. Oh my goodness, Melissa, this card is beautiful. Can this, no, it doesn't lift up. I don't think it do. No, it doesn't lift up. So it says, this season, hope the fun is homemade. Did I read that right? This season, hope the fun is homemade. So I did. The joys are heartfelt and memories are forever. Merry Christmas, love, Melissa. Y'all, she sent me a big paper clip. Oh my goodness, I've been wanting to order some of these so bad, but I don't do a ton of saving challenges to have so many. So Melissa, thank you so much for this big paper clip. Oh my goodness. Thank you. I definitely needed at least one. Not really sure how much these cost. Melissa, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Definitely check out her channel over at Budget Stuff Save Repeat. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and Merry Christmas, everyone.